3 days and you're like constantly revising. Like, I look like a little baby.
So I was really drunk.
So, I got here, didn't realize I needed to pay $10 to get here. I'm in nature. Yeah, I paid $10 to get here. I thought it was public access. I guess I don't really know what else to do now. I'm just sitting here in nature. I do think I walked into a couple of spider webs and I may get a bug in my nose. And apparently ticks are really in season this year, so there are some consequences in being in nature. I want to go to the beach, but I'm a little scared because those are where the cool kids are. By cool kids, I mean the little kids and their parents, but it's just like I feel kind of weird, like I'm here all alone. What is this grown girl doing here? Let's not be stupid. Let's not be scared of little kids, Martina. Let's go to the beach. Don't so spy me. I also really need to pee. But that's no worries because look at all the spots I can pee in. I can pee everywhere here. Look at this big bathroom. Look at that big bathroom over there. No, I can't. Look at all these notifications I have. I'm just so much better than them. I'm not gonna answer all that. I'm here with nature. I did say I need to pee.
Privacy, please. Fit check. Shirt from Princess Polly. Shorts from Target. Shoes from Adidas. Bag from Vera Bradley.
Okay, so I'm walking on this road. Thought I saw a sign for a hiking trail. I don't see that sign anymore. I don't know if I'm a little cuckoo, but we'll see where this takes us, I guess. Oh, yes. Yes, grass. Oh, this feels nice. Wow. I did it. I did it. I touched some grass. I'm not helping my cuckoo case by talking to this machine thing as if it's my friend. But hey, no! There's some people on the other side that are my friends. You guys are my friends. God. I do maybe need to touch grass. Oh my god, look at my notifications. Look at my notifications. I am Miss Popular. You may think I'm not cool because I'm talking to a camera by myself, but actually look at all these notifications of my best friends. I am cool. Okay. I'm still lost. Heh. Told her I know a spot. This is the spot, yo. You know, to really hone in on my cuckoo-ness, my schizophrenia, maybe I should pretend this is a date. Oh, those tides. They're rising. Tides are rising. Do you see it? Let me tilt your head so you can see it. Is that okay? I don't want to be pushing any boundaries here. Oh my god, I'm crazy. Wait. I mean, I don't know if the tides are rising or if it rained. Nah, you're right. The tides are rising, but it's probably just the rain that happened yesterday. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. You're so smart. God, I really hope there's no one watching, like, listening to this and thinking I'm actually crazy. I mean, this is crazy. This is crazy. I don't know if I should look to my viewfinder or here. Making direct eye contact. You know, let me show you this one thing. When I was a kid, I thought this was the coolest, baddest thing ever. Actually, maybe I should phrase this since we're on a date, I'm trying to impress you. Maybe I should phrase this as my secret talent. The cool thing, cool, risky thing I can do. Oh! Wow. Wow. Get you somebody who could do that. You can't, only me. Anyway. Oh, hey! It's been so long since I've seen you. Okay. Do you all see that? Do you all freaking see that? I'm not dealing with that anymore. I'm gonna enter actually. Okay. I think this is the spot. You know, I wish there was kind of more I could do here, but I'm actually, the fear of ticks and bugs on me and the amount of spider webs I've encountered, and then the snakes, I think I'll just stick to my bedroom. Maybe doom scrolling isn't that bad after all, you know? What's the point of touching grass when you run the risk of getting Lyme disease? Guys, there's an owl. There's an owl. Oh my god, there's an owl. Where? It flew from there to here. I'm so bummed. That would have been so cool. It was so big. Woo-hoo! Woo! 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 Woo, where are you? God, okay. The more I have this camera out, the more psychotic I seem to be becoming. Okay. Okay, that's another reason for me not to go outside. What the hell? What is this place?